All right, yeah, Beryl. I'll tell you, nasty rain totals are coming in, and we're going to take a look because remember, this is referred to as flash flood alley. And I will say this now, that the biggest concern with this storm is going to be flooding across south central Texas. Let's first begin with our 4th of July forecast. You're heading out to the fireworks show, to the barbecues, and we're looking good. It's going to be awfully hot. Wait until you see the heat index right now. We'll stay in the mid-90s through the 8 o'clock hour. Make sure you're hydrated. All right, a change on the forecast for the Texas coast. That's going to be Port A, Rockport, Copano Bay, Corpus Christi. Rain chances are now for Sunday, 40%, Monday, 60, up to Tuesday's 80% chance. So Saturday's still looking good with a high of 90 degrees. Let's show you what we've got outside right now. Some triple-digit heat at Del Rio 102, Uvalde 100, Floresville 100, but our 99 in the city, look at this. Feels like 107 outside in San Antonio. That is a dangerous heat index. We're spending more time outdoors. Please make sure you're hydrating. It feels like 108 at New Braunfels, 110 at San Marcos and Victoria, 112 down at Port Lavaca, 104 to 108 on the Rio Grande. Let's get to Beryl. Now a Category 2. Keep a couple things in mind. We're getting some upper level winds coming in from the west that is shearing the storm a bit. And then we're also dealing with some Saharan dust in the air. That's also weakening the storm. But it will get across the Yucatan Peninsula and by Saturday morning be out over the southern Gulf of Mexico. Watch what the models are now doing, taking a pretty good right turn as the high doesn't move far enough east to get out of its steering current, and that high helps steer it a little bit farther north and up towards the Texas coast. I mean, keep in mind, this forecast can change a lot. It hasn't even hit the Yucatan Peninsula yet. So we've got to wait and see exactly what this high does, and that determines the path of this storm. The majority of the models are bringing it in about Monday morning, just south of South Padre, with a few models still going up the Texas coast. One thing's for sure, it is going to be a lot of rain. As it crosses the Yucatan, again, out in the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico, we expect strengthening over the weekend. Now that switches from high-resolution model data to global model data, and you can see the rain starts along the coast early Sunday morning and starts to spread northward as we get to late Sunday, early Monday. So it looks like early Monday, rainy days and Mondays, rainy days and Tuesdays, rainy days and Wednesdays. It looks like a good 3 to 4 day rain event. Look at these totals. We're going anywhere from 2 to 4 inches from San Antonio through areas like Seguin, and then we go up. I mean, this is going to be the 4 to 6 inch range in this orange, and then maybe 8 to 9 inches down towards the coast and Brownsville, South Padre. Wow, a lot of rain. All right, here's the first 7 of our 14-day forecast. Rain chances over the weekend are slight. Saturday, Sunday, 20 to 30%, but by Monday, 80%. Monday night, same, 70% until Wednesday's 60. I'm even going with a 40% for Thursday. Next week, 30% on Friday, even with a lingering shower possible. Saturday might drop that rain chance. Highs will get back to the mid-90s, but be as low as about 82 to 85 with a lot of that tropical air in place. But again, Jeremy, lots of rain beginning Monday.